Hello everyone. Tonight we're going to bake a zucchini. As you can see, it's on the table and that's fresh from my garden. We have lots of zucchini, so I decided to make variety like the main dish, and this time we're going to make a cake. We have also the young coconut, shredded young coconut, and of course ground pecan. So join me in baking the zucchini. Okay, let's start with our process. So we have all the ingredients here, and the first thing we have to do is dust with flour the pan that we're going to bake the zucchini into. And I already actually greased that with oil, so at least our cake will not stick at the bottom, and it's easier for us to remove it. Or you can also use there's also one way that you can use the paper, parchment paper, so you can use that. There you go. So now that the flour is in the pan, we are going to mix the dry ingredients plus of course the zucchini, the young coconut, and the pecan. So let's start first with the young coconut. We have shredded young coconut, and then we have the zucchini itself. So we're just gonna put it all together, mix it. And by the way, I already removed the juice from the zucchini. So, because it's fresh, there's lots of juice in it. So we just have to drain it a bit. And then we have the pecan here. So let's just keep adding that. Just want this mix all together. That's so that it will be incorporated in our other ingredients. So we're just going to do it like this, and then get the other third, and do the same thing. I've tried this before and it's really good, so that's why I'm showing this to you again. But the last time I didn't videotape it. So we'll do the same with the pecan and plus the other third of the zucchini. So we're just gonna put it there. And once this is well incorporated, we're going to add it on the eggs. That our zucchini, the young coconut, and of course the pecan are mixed together, we are now mixing the dry ingredients, which we have the baking soda. So we'll just put the baking soda and also the baking powder. All these ingredients will be in my description box. The measurement is very important when baking, and of course the salt. Plus the cinnamon. We have the cinnamon in here to add some color and the aroma. It will really be a contribution to the smell of our cake. And we also have the vanilla in here. So we're going to add the other ingredients later on. So you just keep mixing it until it's well unmixed, and then we are baking it with the eggs. Actually, we have to do first the eggs after this, and then once the egg is done, we're going to put it in the oven and ready for baking. So there you go. This is very simple and yet delicious, and of course healthy too. It's perfect with your snack, coffee, or even during breakfast, if you don't know which one to eat, you have the cake for breakfast. So now that this is mixed, we are doing the egg, or we have the 4 eggs here with the oil, plus of course the vanilla and the sugar. So we're going to set this aside, and we're just gonna set that aside as well. So we have the big bowl here because we're going to use now the mixer in beating the eggs. So we have the eggs. So we are going to start with the beating. So let's just turn this on. So now we are going to add our zucchini. And then we're just gonna fold it. There you go. So just gonna fold it like this. And we're going to use the spatula soon. Just gonna make sure that this is all incorporated or mixed together with the other ingredient that's in here. So after putting the zucchini, pecan, and of course the young coconut in the bowl, now this is the outcome. And as you can see, this has some liquid in it. It's not dry because of the zucchini and the young coconut. So this is just perfect for our baking pan. There you go. So let's just mix it a bit more, and then we are going to transfer this. And we have the dusted baking pan. And we're just setting this aside so we can put it here. And this is our zucchini. So let's just do it like this. It's really nice. And once it's baked, I will again show it to you. So just keep pouring it, and make sure that your pan is at least 3/4 full, because if you estimate, or if you think that your pan is not gonna take all the zucchini or the mixture, then you have to use some other pan so it doesn't overflow. So this is very smooth there, and then you just have, of course, to use your spatula or rubber spatula. And this is now ready for baking. So we are going to bake this for at least 35 to 40 minutes, and then you can put frosting or even icing on it, but this time we're just doing it as it is, and I will show you the outcome after. This is now the outcome of our zucchini cake. So as you can see, this looks really good and ready for serving. So now we're going to cut a piece, and let's just see how smooth and nice it is in the inside. So there you go. It's really good. So that's the inside of the cake. That's really nice, soft and fluffy. So now it's ready for eating. So let's try a piece, and you can see the buko, or what we call it here, young coconut. And that's just moist and soft. When there you go. When you cut it, it's really is good. So let's try a piece of it. And you know what I did? I did cut at least 1/2 cup of sugar because I don't like my cake very sweet. So if you want to cut back from the sweetness, recipe is calling for, let's say, 3/4 cup sugar. Just remove the 1/4 cup of it, and you will still get a nice cake. So mine is still really good, and as I said, smooth. So now that I'm done, I'm going to say bye for now. This is Arlene Mendez, and please don't forget to subscribe also to my channel members, and of course my friends in YT. So I'm going to put the 8 members I have right now after this, and please subscribe them because they're such great people. So this is Arlene Mendez. God bless us all, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated with my next video. Bye for now.